you guys are having a good day. Today we're going to be putting the aftermarket steering wheel and hub adapter in the car. I just want to show you guys quick. I got the door on. Yeah. I'll be replacing this. But it's hella coming together, guys. Let me gather all the materials and then... Okay, first thing you guys want to do is take the thing off for the thing.
Today, Junior?
For those. Fucking, yeah. Oh, okay. There we go. I was like, how in the fuck do I do it though? Figured it out.
High five. Great.
Oh gosh.
Holy shit! Oh, fuck!
Okay. You want to make sure you have the battery obviously disconnected when you're doing this, because this will blow up if you have power to it. You could sell this on eBay too if you wanted, but I'm not going to. Looks like the next thing is I gotta find out which thing is which cords are which. That one's for the airbag. I'm assuming this one's for the horn. But yeah, right here. Power and ground. That's one. Right there. I think that's the horn stuff. But next thing we need to find this size and then break it and take the steering wheel off. Okay, once you have this nut loose, you can start to wiggle and move the steering wheel until it comes off. After you start getting it loose, you can start to take the nut off You just don't want to whack yourself in the face. That's really all you're trying to avoid here. Okay, I think it'll come off now. There we go. There you go. Now you gotta go grab your boss kit. There's the hub installed. You want to make sure that the arrow is pointing towards the top and the middle of the car. Yeah. So now I'm gonna go get the steering wheel and throw it on real quick. Okay. So they come in a little baggie like this. So you'll know which ones you're wanting to use. So you want to take the horn plate, horn button, and all those off. Because we don't want the silver ones. Okay. I forgot. I hope you guys like this. I'm gonna try to throw some good music over it and just make it good for you guys. I hope you like the audio too. This is the new mic. don't currently have a lens on the camera on my phone, but I do have those now too. I hate eBay, guys. The last clip you guys saw was probably 3 days ago, and we were trying to put this hub on my car. I just want you guys to look at this label really quickly. You see what that says? It says for a Toyota. So basically, eBay sent me the wrong part with this steering wheel kit. I tried to contact the seller. He kept going on and on about how it only fits Toyotas, when I told eBay specifically I need a part that fits a Honda, you know? So I got the right part. There's a little difference, and you can tell this hole is smaller in circumference, and then it's got these grooves on the back, so it'll fit into the where it's supposed to be now. The instructions that came with this said to put about 4 or 5 pounds of pressure, or pounds of torque on it. I'm just gonna go by feel because I don't want to break this aluminum. So yeah, I'll just tighten it down, and then we'll get the steering wheel on, and it should be done at that point. You want to like make sure it locks and it's turning your wheel, and this one fits. So now I'm just gonna unlock it, put the wheel in, and yeah, it'll be completely done. We'll wire up the horn at some other point. Yep, turns the wheels. That's the right hub adapter thing. Whatever you want. Okay guys, so I actually found out that these black grub nuts are aluminum, and these silver ones are stainless. So these aluminum ones have been stripping like crazy, but these stainless ones go in perfectly. So I'm gonna switch out all of them over to that, and then eventually just paint the top of these black. So there's the aftermarket steering wheel, actually installed and not just spinning around the fucking steering rack. But I hope you guys like that one. This is a cheap steering wheel, but I've ran one before, and I like it. The next video, the material for it should be here Monday. It is Saturday now. I should have this uploaded on Sunday. Just make sure you guys like leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the cheap steering wheel. It was like, okay, so all together with the extra hub, it was like $40. $40. Yeah, I'm a little shocked too. But then, okay, I'm gonna kind of give you guys a sneak peek to what's happening next video. This is changing. This is no longer gonna be this color or this material. Neither is this. Neither is this. Probably not that or that. Some of you may know already. Some may not. But you'll have to tune in next time to see. I love you guys. Peace.